In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail to Outlook. Let's dive right in and make your email management a breeze. First things first, go ahead and open Outlook on your desktop. If you don't have it already installed, make sure you download it from a trusted source and set it up before beginning this process. Opening Outlook is your gateway to keeping all your emails organized in one place, particularly if you juggle multiple email accounts for work, personal use, or other activities. Once you have Outlook up and running, direct your attention to the settings icon. It's usually depicted by a small cogwheel, often found at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon will bring up a menu with various options to customize your Outlook experience. Here you'll find everything you need to modify the way your Outlook functions, ranging from visual themes to more technical account settings. Next, look for the option that says Add Account within the Settings menu. Selecting this option is the crucial step to integrating your Gmail account with Outlook. Doing so will prompt a new window to appear, guiding you through the process of connecting your Gmail. It's designed to be user-friendly, so follow along with the on-screen prompts. In this new window, all you need to do is type in your Gmail address. Make sure you enter it accurately to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. A simple typo can prevent the integration from proceeding smoothly. Once you've entered your email, click to continue, and you may be prompted to enter your Gmail password. Rest assured, this process is secure. After entering your credentials, you might encounter a few additional prompts or screens from Google aimed at ensuring the security of your account. These could include signing into your Google account or verifying your identity in some way, such as a two-step verification process. It's essential to follow through these additional security steps to proceed with linking your Gmail to Outlook. Once everything is authenticated and verified, you'll receive a confirmation directly within Outlook. Your Gmail account should now be fully integrated into Outlook, meaning that you can access, send, and manage your Gmail emails directly from Outlook. This integration can greatly simplify your email management process, allowing you to handle emails from one interface rather than switching between multiple platforms. In closing, linking your Gmail to Outlook is truly a straightforward task that requires just a few steps. It's a fantastic way to streamline your communication and keep everything in one place, ultimately enhancing your productivity. I hope this guide has been helpful and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on how to make technology work seamlessly for you.